This is how you add captions to your videos on CapCut using the desktop app. First thing you need to do is import footage. You can either click import or you can go to your desktop and just drag it over like this. Next, drag the footage to your timeline. Then you're gonna go to the top bar over here and click text. Now, make sure that your video is selected on the timeline. If you wanna do auto captions, you can click auto captions. Make sure it's in your desired language and then just click generate. Now we wait. Next, you see the captions are at the top here. You can change the font, the style, the text. You can move them around. Let's say we want to change the font. You click the caption, you go to text, and choose your desired font. If you want the classic TikTok font, type in classic, hit enter, and this is the font that they use on TikTok. Now you can move it up, you can move it closer to your mouth, you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger. Usually when I do captions, I go for one of these presets. I will click this first one so it has a black outline. If you want to add a bar to the back, you can click this one right here. But right now, I'm going to stick to these captions. This is my favorite. When you do auto captions, whatever you do to one caption, it does it to all of them. That's the beauty. But if you want the style to be different for each part of your captions, make sure when you click it, you select apply to all main captions and you just turn that off. So now whatever I do to this caption, it'll look different than this one. But right now we want to make them all the same. So right now, here's what we have. This is how you add captions to your videos. Okay, it follows it perfectly. Now, if you want to add some animation to it, so it's not just a boring caption where it's text written like this, you go to animation, and I recommend clicking captions. These animations are made for auto captions. My favorite one is the bounce out. It's just one word. So just like this. This is how you add captions to your videos. All you have to do is... However, when you do this, you need to make sure to select all of them, go to animation, and then it will do the animation on all of them. Just like that. Super simple, super easy. And again, you can play with so many different features here. You can do different preset styles. You can change the color, the outside. You can add a background. You can do a glow, shadow. You can even curve your font. Play around with it. But if you're trying to do just generic captions, I would recommend just sticking to a basic one like this. You also have tons of fonts to choose from. Now, if you don't want to do auto captions and you just want to add your own text to your videos, you simply go back to the text area. You go add text and you just drag this here. And now you can write whatever you want. Hello, this is a caption. And now you just do the same thing that you were doing last time. You pick your font, you pick your preset style, and go from there. The only difference now is if you add other captions, you have to make sure manually that they're in the same spot with the same color, etc. So auto captions are favored for when you're doing talking head videos or just want to add in your own captions. You can also have auto captions and normal captions at the same time. Super simple, super easy. If you want more CapCut tutorials or social media tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button.